Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, your go-to place for everything networking and cybersecurity. In this video, we're diving into how a packet travels through a Palo Alto Networks firewall, step by step in detail. Whether you're prepping for an interview or just want to understand what's happening under the hood, this one's for you. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, here's a quick overview. Palo Alto firewalls use a single-pass, parallel processing architecture. That means traffic is inspected once, and all security features like App ID, User ID, and Content ID happen at the same time. Pretty efficient, right? When a packet hits the firewall, it passes through multiple stages, from interface lookup to NAT, policy checks, and finally content inspection, before it's allowed or dropped. Now let's break it down step by step. Step 1. The packet arrives on a physical or logical interface. The firewall determines what interface and zone it came in on, validates the packet's integrity, and checks for any Layer 2 or Layer 3 errors. Next is session lookup. Palo Alto checks if the packet belongs to an existing session. If it does, boom, it goes through the fast path. No need to reprocess everything. But if it's a new session, it enters the slow path. In the slow path, the firewall determines the source and destination zones. Then it checks NAT policies. If there's a match, it applies source NAT or destination NAT, depending on the configuration. This is crucial for how the packet will be forwarded. After NAT, a routing table lookup decides the egress interface and next hop. So now, the firewall knows where to send the packet. But we're not done yet. Now comes the big decision, the security policy check. Based on the source/destination IP, zone, port, and application, the firewall checks if there's a rule allowing the traffic. If not, the packet is dropped. If yes, we move forward. Palo Alto is famous for App ID. It identifies the actual application, not just the port number. For example, is it YouTube over port 443? Or Gmail? If User ID is enabled, it also maps the IP to a username. Super useful for user-based policies. Next, Content ID steps in. This is where the real inspection happens. Antivirus, anti-spyware, file blocking, URL filtering, data filtering, and more. If you're uploading a file to the internet or downloading one, it may even be sent to Wildfire for sandboxing. Once all checks pass, a session is created with all metadata, app, user, NAT info, policy ID, and traffic is logged based on your logging profile. This session is now active and future packets in the session take the fast path. Finally, the packet exits the firewall via the appropriate egress interface, based on the routing and NAT rules. Mission complete. Check the session table when troubleshooting with the command show session all. Use packet capture debug dataplane packet diag to see where a packet is getting dropped. Remember, the first few packets of a flow go through all checks. The rest are handled in the fast path. Let's recap. Every packet through a Palo Alto firewall goes through interface lookup, session check, NAT, policy match, App ID, User ID, content inspection, logging, and finally, it's either allowed or denied. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. Got questions about packet flow in Palo Alto? Drop it in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.